we go.
What do you do? Completely soaked.
Oh boy.
Is that waterproof?
This? Yeah, it's an action camera.
That guy looks like he took a shower.
Oh my god.
It looks like he stepped under the shower.
And I got a blister on my foot. Oh, they're all piling up.
I hope you don't get that though.
23, watch your set.
Is there a little middle section?
They should have that plastic thing.
I know. Yeah, maybe they just feel like everyone's gonna put it in the locker anyways. All right, here we go. This one has a drop though. I don't really like that one.
No. Just for that, I have to get one.
What?
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Summer.
Yeah.
Put him inside your sweater. Everyone's riding this now because it's hot, isn't it?
I know.
And it's always
It's not too hot today, which is nice.
I remember that time. Oh no, it was a laundry I was sitting here.
They used to have it, or?
They used to have it in November.
Oh, the heck?
Yeah, they used to. Last time we came, they had like a little thing to like put your bag.
Yeah.
I think some of them do have it, and some of them don't have it.
Why, hello, rafters. For a safe ride, be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. Don't forget to watch your kids, and please don't be a litter bug.
Hola, navegantes. Para un viaje seguro, manténganse sentados con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado.
Oh yeah, it's been more. Here we go. Wait, what?
Oh god. I gotta hold on to this with dear life.
It's 79 degrees only.
Oh, down here? Oh my gosh. Where is so fast? You guys haven't been on this? Never been on this? Oh, shoot. Alright, well, hold on to your things.
My stuff.
Oh my gosh, why? Why?
I can't
do that.
I don't want to do this anymore. It's already now. Is your...
My pants are okay.
It's too late to regret everything now, so might as well get ready to get wet.
Oh, jeez. The ride hasn't even started yet. Dang, that's crazy.
The hoppers are gonna get the most wet right now.
Oh my lord.
What did I do this time? What did I do? No.
How many was it? They dropped us last time. Oh no, it didn't.
I thought it was here last time we got you away.
Oh no. This one has like that crazy.
I haven't been on this for a while. Did we go on this?
Yeah, we did. I think we went on it with Simeon. Or no, we went on this just me and you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Oh, it got you guys?
So I don't get my ass wet.
Jeez. Huh?
This is nice. I wanted to keep turning to 37%. Oh shoot, here comes the first
One,
drop.
yeah. Oh, no.
Drops, so I think 2 or 3.
Yeah, there's like 2. No, it was 1, and then there's a big one down
The
there.
big one that
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Damn.
You okay? Oh! What is going on?
Oh my!
Oh! No!
Oh shit!
Hold on. Oh my gosh, this is like crazy. Oh! No! Oh my gosh! No! Oh, here we go.
Good thing I wear these shoes.
Dang. Maybe we should have brought the extra pair of shorts.
It's okay. It looks alright.
Alright, guys. Comes the big drop. Comes the drop. Oh, please don't let me go backwards.
Oh, right here.
Oh my god. Oh!
Oh, bro.
Oh, you guys are. Oh! Oh my god! Dang!
I heard the last
Dang! Dang! Oh no! Not the geyser!
We're messing with the geyser right now, bro. Oh, please, don't.
We were like trying. I was trying my drive up like.
I was trying the whole time.
Oh man! Wow!
Oh my god.
Damn!
There's a button out there you can push, no? Turn on the geyser.
Absolutely soaked. Dang!
How's your phone?
It's probably a little wet, but
They were messing with it. That's how
a little wet. It'll be okay though. I shouldn't have brought it, honestly.
Yeah, they were pressing the button up there. So.
Look, see, when I told you to get wet, you see what happened? They were there.
Let me check. Yeah, let me just check my phone. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, it's actually pretty. It's good. Yeah, because of the pants. Waterproof.
Oh. You didn't want your phone? You not see my shirt?
That was crazy.